Hello everybody and welcome from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. What absolute machine we have sat in front of you here. It's a Hyacinth Special Metallic Paint CLS350 AMG line Premium Plus. What an amount of car we have here. 350 engine, very torquey, it's a 3 litre V6. The paintwork is complemented with the contrasting porcelain leather. Just have a look at that. And the Premium Plus is all the additional specification you get with the car. So we'll start with your 3-stage memory seats, full electric function, heated seats. It has keyless entry and keyless go there. COMAND Online. Also got the sunroof there as well. If you like your sound, it's got the upgraded Harmon Kardon surround sound system as well. It's a hell of a lot of car. And what a beautiful thing it really is. Certainly wouldn't be disappointed if you came to have a look at the car, have a drive of the car. So for any further information, please contact the sales team. We're all on hand and we'd love to welcome you here to AMT on Kirkstall Road. Thank you ever so much for watching, and as always, we look forward to speaking to you soon.